This fine specimen is the ginkgo tree, known by its scientific name as Ginkgo biloba. The ginkgo has very distinct shaped leaves, like this one. Ginkgos come from a group of plants known as the seed ferns, and the closest living relative to a group of plants known as cycads. Ginkgo is a term that is used for trees that have more than 4 veins per segment in their leaves, and as you can see, this ginkgo has a lot of veins. 2 veins enter the blade at the base, then repeatedly fork in twos to make a pattern known as dichotomous venation. The leaves are usually 2 to 4 inches in size. It currently favors areas that get a lot of water but drain fairly easily. Ginkgo trees are very large organisms that can grow between 20 to 35 meters in height. Some in China have been known to grow at least 50 meters in height.
Ginkgos are extremely hardy trees, surviving anything from road salts to atomic bombs. This comes from a combination of their erratic branches and deep root system and their ability to resist diseases and insects. Some of them are over 2,500 years old. They have extreme longevity, reproduce slowly, and are ecologically conservative, being found historically along stream sides. They have lots of short shoots that grow every year and does not sprout many branches until its second year of growth.
Ginkgos are deciduous with 2 separate sexes. Some trees are female and others are male. The male plants produce pollen in small cones with sporophyll. The female plants do not make cones and instead have to ovulate at the end of their stalks. After pollination, one or both of them will make seeds. Its seeds are almost 2 centimeters long with a fruit-looking fleshy outer layer, but contains butyric acid and smells like rancid butter and vomit when fallen. Ginkgo trees are native to China and can be found in fossils from 207 million years ago, an early Jurassic and Cretaceous era. But modern ginkgos originate from the late Paleozoic. They used to be found all over the world until about 2 million years ago, when they could only be found in a small area of China. The genetics of these trees in China lead scientists to believe that they were planted there and maintained by Chinese monks for 1,000 years. Over the last 2,000 years, ginkgos have been cultivated and can now be found all over China, North America, and a variety of other places.
Ginkgos now have many uses in both medicine and cooking.
Ginkgos are used for cooking lots of foods, but they can also be poisonous and cause a variety of allergic reactions. Ginkgos have numerous medicinal uses. Ginkgo has properties that can help enhance memory and concentration and has been a proposed treatment for Alzheimer's patients. Plants that are thought to be extinct or that have a very small population can be brought back into importance and in human culture if humans feel like they are special.